If woodworking feels overwhelming, here's a great solution. Ted's collection offers over 16,000 easy step-by-step projects with photos and diagrams. No big workshop or fancy tools needed. Check the link in the description. It might be just what you need to get started or improve your skills.
What's a better alternative to exterior plywood for building an outdoor raised herb garden?
Cedar is an excellent choice for your outdoor raised herb garden because of its natural properties. It contains oils that make it resistant to moisture, decay, and insect damage, which means it can withstand rain, humidity, and changing weather without warping or rotting like plywood might. This durability ensures your garden structure stays strong and stable for many years. Additionally, cedar is lightweight and easy to work with, making your building process smoother. Its warm, rich color and pleasant aroma also add an attractive, natural touch to your garden, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Unlike treated woods, cedar doesn't require harsh chemicals, so it's safer for growing edible plants like herbs. Overall, cedar combines durability, beauty, and safety, making it the best material for your raised herb garden. And if you're serious about woodworking, there's an incredible resource I recommend: Ted's collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. It's thoughtfully designed to help makers at every level. I've included the link in the description for anyone interested in exploring more projects without feeling overwhelmed.